In 5 minutes or less, I'll show you how to create Facebook ads. The first thing you need to do is to have a Facebook Ads Manager account. You also need to have a Facebook page. You also need to have what you want to sell, and you need to have either a landing page, WhatsApp, or wherever you want to send these people to. If you have all of that ready, you want to come inside of your business manager and you want to click on create. Here you want to select the kind of ad you want to create or what you want to achieve. So you can create awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. I'm going to run sales in this case. So I select sales. I click on continue. Here you give your campaign a name, and down here you select your budget type. So I'm going to leave it at the ad set budget, and I want to uncheck this. This is your ad set level, so you give your ad set a name and you select your conversion location. I want them to go to my website and not phone calls. So you click on that, you come under single here, you click on single, and then you can select website. You want to select your performance goal. In my case, I want to maximize number of conversion, but we have other goals you can select. Here you select your pixel. You should have created a pixel now. I have a video on how to create a pixel. You can check it out. So I'm going to select a pixel here. Here you want to select the custom event. You can click on it and you see the custom event. In my case, I'm optimizing for purchase. So if your pixel was properly set up, you will not see this error. So I need to set this pixel up properly. You come down here. This is where you do your budget and your schedule. You put how much you want to pay, either daily or the lifetime of the budget. I'm going to leave it this way. You select the start date and the end date if you want, but I'm going to leave it that way. For the audience, we have audience control, and this is where you select the location. So you come to location, you click on edit, and you can select the location that you want. You have other settings under audience that you can do, like you can click on show settings and you can include the age, the gender, the detailed targeting, and all of that. Again, we are going to leave all of this blank. We come to placement. This is where you edit the placement of where your adverts can show. You can click here and you can exclude places where you don't want your advert to show, like videos, marketplace, and right column. Click on show more settings here and you can select where the devices where your advert can show. So in my case, I can say maybe only mobile apps. This is where you also select the platform or the placements where you want your advert to show. Click on edit. We want this advert to show only on Facebook, so we are going to uncheck all the other platforms. Here you can further exclude other placements from Facebook. For instance, if you click on this, you can select places on Facebook where you want these adverts to show. Here you want to uncheck this because you don't want them to spend money on your excluded platform. So uncheck this. So this is our ad level. So you want to give your ad a name. And this is where you select the Facebook page that you want to use for this advert. Remember, we are running a Facebook ad, so we need a Facebook page or profile. This is where you actually upload your ad, so you can create the ad from here, or you can select a post on the particular page that you want to promote. So you can do this manually by just uploading a single video, and you can uncheck this one and you can select the video or the post. So if you come to add creative here, you can select either image or video and you can basically just upload it. If you select image or video, you want to come here where you have media, and this is where you can upload the media that you want to use. In my case, I will just use this image here. After adding your creative, this is where you add your primary text, and this is where you add your headline. You see a preview here. This is where your primary text is, and this is where your headline is. Here you can select your call to action button. You can say get offer or whatever you want. So you are basically done and you can publish. Before then, let me show you how to use a post that you currently have on your page. So to use a post you currently have on the page, you come to the ad setup here, click on ad setup, click on use existing post. So you need to have made this post on your page and then you can just select it and use. So you can come here, click on select posts, and you can see all the posts that you have made on the page and you can use any of them. So let's say I want to use this one here. I can just select it and this is now going to become my advert. Once you are done, you look at the preview. If you like it, you hit on publish. And this, my friend, is how you can create Facebook ads in less than 5 minutes. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video.